Okay, let's talk my YouTube channel. Right now, the name is Mrs. Melissa Jenkins, which, although that is my name, it's a little on the boring side for a channel name. So I'm trying to spice it up a little, and I need your help. Okay, so I asked my students to give me some ideas, and I came up with some of my own, and I'm going to share them here. But I need you to vote and share your feedback. So there are two ways to do that. First is simply comment on the video and share what you like, or possibly offer a different suggestion, one that I haven't thought of. Or click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to a poll where you can vote on what your favorite is among the choices presented here in the video. And there'll be a spot to add an additional option if that's what you prefer. All right, so comment or vote in the poll. Here we go. So Jenkins Joule of the day or Jenkins Joule of the day, Joule being a unit of work or energy. Genius Jenkins, the Ginger Guide, because, well, quite frankly, Journey with Jenkins or Jenkins Journey, Humorous Jenkins, I love a good science pun, Jenkins Jewels or Jenkins Gems, Jenkins Germs, kind of fitting in a pandemic, right? Imagine Jenkins, this one kind of is growing on me. Just Jenkins, the Jenkins Project, Educate with Jenkins. So what do you think? Those are my ideas. Again, some came from students, some came from me. Comment below or vote in the poll to let me know.